Daniel from the Assessment Toolbox here. How do you send out or assign your Google form? I've got my Google form quiz ready to go, and we send it out with this button in the top right, send. This is how we assign it. And there are three ways that are easy to do it in. One is with an email address list. If you've got a list that you can copy paste in there of your class, perfect. That's one way to do it. The other is to post a link. And you can post this on a class website. You could email this to your email list from your email program. Wherever you could post a link that would help, you can post this link here. Click it to copy. Or if you don't like how long it is, you can shorten it right there. And that's going to be another option for you. There is the embed option if you've got a class website and the ability to post that in there as well, but you certainly don't need to. Lastly, you could do it from within Google Classroom, and that would be a different tutorial there. So once again, send, and you can put in your email addresses there, copy paste them, post the link somewhere. You could embed it if you've got the ability to do that, or you can do it from Google Classroom and create an assignment in there. So there you go. Let's take a look at what it's going to look like on the back end. This preview button right here shows you what it's going to look like for the students. Notice that all the extra bars are gone. These things don't show up for the students, and they're just going to get this and be guided through by the program. There you go. Was this helpful for you? Please like it so other teachers can find it, and continue the playlist 2 minutes at a time to see Google Forms tutorials for teachers.